In this session, we will learn about find files based on their permission base. If I have a files who is having read and write and access of the permission levels, like I want to find what is the permission and what is the read permission files are available, what are the execute permissions are available. Likewise, for this, simply you type a command find space. If it is the local, you put it as a dot, or else you put it as a home or directory. You can mention over here. I'm finding on home, and here you type as a type of the file, whether it is file or directory. For type, I am specifying a file, and -PERM permission level. It's on a 0777 complete permissions, and print, you may specify or not, and you will hit enter. Alright, this is the way where the permission, all 777 permissions who are the having the files, it will be gets output. And I make it as a root. Actually in home I think there is no files. 764 we will check it. Actually earlier session we have done that 764 permission. Let's check it. Yep, it's a find on root. I have specified, and the type of the file, it's type is a file, and permission is a 0764 in the sense read, the user level read, write, execute, and user level group level it's a read and write, and other level is read only permission. That is 764. Like there is a file, see here, root, under root history.txt file is there with the having this permission. Alright, similarly you will find without having this permission, in the sense I don't want without, in the sense other than 0764 permission file I require. For that you need to specify simple keyword like not exclamatory mark, you need to specify before permission PERM and hit enter. Perm event not found. Here bash is saying that after F please see here, and F not permission is available here, whereas it's saying that print it's not taking. Let me check. Yeah, not, hit enter, it's not accepting. Yes, sorry. Yeah, here you need to write that command. Clear the screen, and here see. Yep, find root type file type not and space permission is required. Actually I am writing here itself. You need to give not symbol, exclamatory mark, and space PERM not 0764 and print the files who are available in the root level. Hit enter. Many files are there. Many files will have a permission of read, write only, no execution. Alright, Control C to stop the execution. Why? Because actually many files are available with that permission. Try to practice with these commands. Hope you better understand about the permission wise finding and not permission wise finding the files in Linux distributions. Thank you for watching this session. Thank you.